Viewers, good morning. So question number 23 of 2025 Kcse paper 1. Let's read the question. The quantity of petrol in liters used by 40 border riders on a particular day is as follows, as we can see. Then the cost of 1 liter of petrol is shillings 160. Then starting with 1.5 liters and using a class size of 0.5. So starting with a class of 1.52 and the width is, or the class size is 0.5. Draw a frequency distribution table for the data. So this is my table here. Now if we start with 1.5, then, and the class size is 0.5, just count using your fingers. Let's go. 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9. So 1.9, and then the next class starting from 2.0, so 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, as we can see here. The next one, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, as we can see. So if we go by that, then considering the data we have, these are the frequencies, and then the midpoint we just take 1.5 plus 1.9, then divided by 2. Then the next one, 2.0 plus 2.4 divided by 2, 2.5 plus 2.9 divided by 2. So if we do that, then the first one will be 1.7, then 2.2, then the next one 2.7, just add 0.5. This will be 3.2, 3.7 and 4.2. Then fx. Now fx, just take this one times that, and you'll be able to get. So if I take 7 times 1.7, that will give me 8. No, it's 7 times, yeah, fx. If I just take 7 times 1.7, that is 7 times 1.7 is 11.9. So 11.9. So this one, just go ahead. This will be 17.6. The next one will be 29.7, 22.4, 14.8, 12.6. So the summation here of fx is therefore 109, and then the cumulative frequency, so this is 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 11 is 26, 26 plus 7, this is 33, 33 plus 4, 37, 37 plus 3, that gives us 40. So from here now, we just look what we are done with the table. So using the frequency distribution table in A, or use the frequency distribution table in A to estimate the mean amount of money spent on petrol by the border riders on that particular day. So how do we find the mean? So mean is given by summation of fx divided by summation of f. So this will be 109 divided by 40, which gives us so 109 divided by 40, 2.725, 2.725, so liters. But remember, it's the mean amount of money spent. So if the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 160, then that means we shall just take the cost of 1 liter times this number of liters here, 2.725, and that will give us Kenya shillings 436. Then Roman 2, the median amount of money spent on fuel by the median border rider. Now, how do we find the median? Statistics 1. So we just take L plus, of course, this is supposed to be N over 2, then minus CF. This one should be divided by F, but then times I. Let me now explain here. So median, we just take lower limit of the model class plus n represents the total frequency, which is 40 divided by 2, minus the cumulative frequency of the class immediately before the model class, divided by the model frequency, then times the class size. So if we go by that, then just come back here. This is our model frequency. So the lower limit of this model class is supposed to be 2.5 minus 0.5, which will know it will be 2.4. So it will be 2.45. Just take, if we take 2.5 minus 0.5, sorry, 2.5 minus 0.5 will be 2 minus 0.5, 2.5. If we subtract 0. Yeah, so here we just take, so just look at this one, 2.4. The lower limit of this will be 2.45. So 2.45 plus 40 divided by 2 is 20, minus, so the cumulative frequency of the class immediately before the model class is 15. So minus 15 over the total frequency, the model frequency is 11, and then times the class width, which is 0.5. Yeah, so from here, so if we work out this, we shall have 2.45 plus this will be 5 over 11, but then times 0.5. So 2.45 plus 5 times 0.5. So this will be 2.677 liters. But again, let us remember here that the cost of 1 liter is 160. So it will be 160 multiplied by 2.677. And the answer here, if I just take 160 multiplied by 2.677, the answer here is 400. It will be shillings. 400 so the answer will be 428 shillings and 32 cents. So that is the final answer. Yeah, so though it really confused many students, I just saw some students getting confused, especially in in coming up with the table. That is how the table was to be drawn, which was to be completed, and then the working is as simple as it is. So thank you very much, learners.